Dig, scoop, kaboom. Bye. Here's the site and the crew. They have a mighty job to do. The dozer's blade shapes the land. Push it, shove it, move that sand. The digger's teeth bites the ground. Crunch, crunch, scoop. Tracks get around. Rocks are big, they can't stay. The loader lifts them all away. The dump truck comes. Crash, kaboom. Rocks drop in, then off it zooms. The mixer spins, big and strong, chugging, pumping, all day long. The crane's tall arm grabs a beam. All are working like a team. The whistle blows, hip hip hooray! Look at what we built today. The job's all done. Play is too. Engine's off now. Good work, crew.